Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is a cell phone stabilizer, it says here, with the hand grip from Fantaseal. Once again, linked up with them again. They sent me out some more things. Looks like here, there's a crack that's open here. This should be probably a case or something. Yeah, really nice case there. A little soft touch case. And here's part of the grip. And it looks like you get some breakaway lanyard or something like that. And then the grip is down here. I'm going to actually test out this. A lot of I've seen some of these say that these are actually really good stabilizers, but some that I've seen aren't that great. So we're going to put this one together here, and then we're going to get straight to it and take it out and put a cell phone on it and see how well it stabilizes. So obviously you can adjust this right here. You can also mount this separately. It's gonna be really nice here. So we'll lock it back in this orientation. This obviously goes probably on the bottom of here or something like that. You can mount it, or right here, just to keep a lanyard on. I wouldn't see anybody having a lanyard with this, but here it is right here. We'll go ahead and see how well this actually stabilizes. So I'm gonna put the Pixel in here, and we're gonna go shoot some video. All right, let's jump to it. All right, I got the Pixel 3 on here, and we're gonna check it out. It's a gloomy day. Let's see how well it looks like it's stabilizing. All right, so let's see how this looks on the video. All right, guys, so what did you think about that footage? How stable was it? You know, was it good? Not so much the quality, just the stability. This looks like this can pretty much probably hold a tablet. I've got it extended really far, and I have my media pad right here. This is a phone slash tablet, and this is 7 inches. So it definitely can go very, very wide, long. It's got a long thing on there, so you'll be able to put in old school, right? You know about that. You could be able to put in pretty big. You can probably put in a small tablet for sure, because that's a phone, but it's like the size of a small tablet because it's got a 7-inch display. But yeah, man, this is definitely a nice grip here, and I think it'll be nice. It looks like it's got a hot shoe up top also, so if you're gonna plug in a microphone or something like that, that'll work for you. That's pretty cool. But again, shout out to the folks at Fantaseal for making it happen for me again. This is a nice grip. This will definitely go in the car. And you can definitely probably mount up a GoPro or something. If you switch out this side over here, you can probably, you flip it around, you'll be able to mount a GoPro or something up top if you needed to. Just anything. You can probably put a whole bunch of stuff on this thing. So there it is, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about the stabilization in that video. Take care.